In the heart of an ancient, verdant jungle, there lived a Mynah with a golden plumage. His song, a symphony of sweet melodies, echoed through the forest, resonating with the rhythm of life. The Mynah's song was not just a melody, but a beacon of hope for the creatures of the jungle. His voice was a balm, soothing their fears and offering solace in the darkest hours. Yet, the Mynah was unaware of his influence. One day, a hunter arrived in the jungle, his heart set on capturing the Mynah. The Mynah, unaware of the danger, continued to sing his song, oblivious to the shadows that crept closer. The hunter, hearing the enchanting melody, was captivated. He felt a strange connection, a pull towards the Mynah. Instead of capturing him, he decided to protect him, realizing the Mynah's song held a power he could not comprehend. Word spread of the hunter's change of heart. The jungle animals were puzzled, but the Mynah continued to sing, his melody reaching even the farthest reaches of the forest. One day, a wise old elephant visited the Mynah. He had heard the Mynah's song and was moved by its purity. The elephant shared the Mynah's song with his herd, and soon, the entire jungle was filled with the Mynah's melody. The hunter, the elephant, and the Mynah became unlikely friends. The hunter learned the power of empathy, the elephant the importance of sharing wisdom, and the Mynah the impact of a simple song. The Mynah's song became a symbol of unity and harmony, echoing through the jungle for generations to come. His story serves as a reminder that our actions and words have a ripple effect, shaping the world around us in ways we may never fully understand.